I just got back to New York.
I love a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me what's on your mind.
Good morning everyone and happy fall. I just got back to New York. My voice is gone because I was at a wedding and we were just like screaming the entire time. It was so much fun, but I'm finally back in New York, and honestly lately I have been feeling, I don't know how to put into words, I just haven't been feeling right. And to be honest, I think it's because I've been getting a little bit lazy with my everyday routine and I feel slightly less motivated in my day-to-day life. So I thought today's vlog would be a little bit more about creating those healthier habits and kind of locking in for winter, setting goals, and I want to take you guys along with me. I have a huge to-do list for today actually. I literally got in last night from St. Louis. I landed around 5:30 p.m. and then I went straight to my church group and then got back home. I barely got to unpack. My room's a mess. I think there's only one better way to solve this, and it's to get organized and get what needs to be done. So I have a big list for today. I'm going to be going to drop off my laundry. I need to grocery shop, cook breakfast. I need to work all day. I have some side work that I need to do. I need to clean my room, to sell and list some things on Depop, and then I also have a Korean language class tonight. I actually enrolled in a Korean language course that's free in New York City. I'm in the higher beginners level, so I'm really excited to do that tonight. I'm gonna kind of take you through my week as I try to create healthier habits that stick around for a long time. So first things first, let's go to do our laundry. Today's outfit also features my new favorite sweater from Gray Bandit, and we're just wearing some cute little sweats and we're gonna go have a good fall morning. It's literally only 60 degrees outside right now. Okay, we have finished the grocery shopping and the laundry, putting everything away, cleaning the dishes, getting rid of all the old food. I haven't been able to make a really yummy coffee lately because I've been staying in St. Louis for the past week, so I'm really excited to make a fall themed coffee. So we're gonna do that first, and then we're going to make some breakfast, and then we're going to get started on some work. Guys, it's only like 9:30 a.m. so we are freaking killing it. And this is today's masterpiece. Guys, I did the whipping cream on top for the first time to make some foam, and it's literally looks so good. I can't wait to try. This is so good. It's like a dessert. Oh my god. It's literally maple syrup, pumpkin spice, and just whipping cream. But tell me why this is like the best thing ever. Okay, we are finally sitting down. It has been such a productive morning. Honestly, I got so much done off of my list in the span of like an hour and a half, 2 hours than I thought I was going to. because I get very distracted. I love a good breakfast. I love eggs. And guys, I cannot get over this coffee. Let's check the list. Cross some things off. I got this pen from a cafe that's also a Japanese stationery store in Williamsburg, and I am obsessed. I need to go back for like the 5th time so that I can buy more things. Just kidding. We're saving this month, so I'm not buying anything else. Okay, anyways, things that we can cross off the list this morning. One will be grocery shop, check. Laundry, check. Breakfast, check. So that's literally 3 things off the list. Next, we are going to dive full in for my full-time job, which, if you guys didn't know, I'm an influencer marketing manager for a swimsuit company based in LA called Dippin' Daisies. If you guys haven't heard of them, you should check them out. I primarily do all of the influencer marketing, so all of our influencer campaigns for sales and collections, and then I also do our brand-to-brand partnerships. I plan our events, and yeah, all that fun jazz. I do Miami Swim Week every year, which is so much fun. So I have like back-to-back meetings today, so most of my day is going to literally be me in meetings, so I won't be vlogging a lot of that. But afterwards, I need to do some side job. I need to clean my room because honestly, I need to go through all of my things, and I really, guys, I get a lot of really amazing fun packages, and like a lot of it is skincare or clothes that unfortunately like I just can't make use of every single thing to its full extent. So I've been giving a lot of products to my mom and to my friends, and for those I can't give away, I'm trying to maybe donate. I am selling some of my older clothes on Depop, so I need to do that later too, but I want to find like a women's shelter or something in general where I can just go and donate, and I know that the clothes go directly to the people I want it to go to and not being resold, especially because it's fall and the weather is going to start getting way colder, especially in New York. So I would like to make a pile of donations and hopefully find a place to donate them this week. So yeah, again, that's pretty much it. And then crayon class at 7:30, so let's get to it. My favorite things to do while I eat is I like to watch things, and my issue with Netflix is I never know what to watch, so it takes me like the entire time that I'm eating to find a show I want to watch, so it's kind of like counterproductive. But I still am just a YouTube girly, so I kind of use this time while I'm eating my breakfast before I dive into work to catch up with my friends who are YouTubers. So let's see what they're up to. My friend Adrienne, that you saw in the previous vlog, just visited me, and I think we are trying to get her to come up to New York for the Christmas holiday season. So hopefully see her soon. And so starts my string of endless meetings, I feel like. It is like 6 p.m. I am finished with work for now. We're going to make some food, and tonight is the Victoria's Secret fashion show. I had some friends who wanted to watch it, but unfortunately I also signed up for a Korean language class. Not unfortunately, fortunately, but it just is unfortunately that they're at the same time. So I'll be able to watch a little bit of the Victoria's Secret fashion show, and then I have to get on to my class. So I'm not really able to hang out with anyone, but we're gonna make some food before then. I think I'm gonna make some kind of a rice noodle dish. I just recently made them for the first time and I kind of really like it. So I'm thinking cabbage, carrots. I'm debating between chicken and shrimp. I personally would like the shrimp more, but I just bought the chicken. My plate full of vegetables ready, but I ended up deciding to go with the chicken, so we're going to cook that first, and then we'll add in the vegetables. Good afternoon, everyone. It is the weekend. It is almost 3 p.m. and I am in Central Park meeting my friend. She's having a goodbye picnic. She's actually moving back to California, I think in like a week. So we're gonna go to that. We have a pretty booked and busy schedule today, but I'm kind of happy to be doing something outdoors and a little bit more wholesome, I feel like, than I usually do. So let's go have some fun. The weather is finally fall and we're like fully dressed for the seasons and the foliage. So excited about that. And then afterwards we're going to this Korean festival with a lot of CEOs and business owners in the Korean industry to talk about like their experiences. And then I think there's also going to be a K-pop concert and Cortis is going to be there, but I like 2 of their songs. But guys, they are like 17 years old, so I cannot like actually like stand them, but it'll be kind of cool because they're kind of like really big right now. I just stepped in some poop. But we're at Sheep's Meadow now, so let's go find my friend. Oh my god, is it that huge gathering? Okay, the one bad thing about meeting up at Sheep's Meadow is that it's so big, it's hard to find your friends. Like, where is she? Tracking her location. Christina's leaving, but we're gonna have fun today. Okay. It was good. I really want to tell. Okay. We will reveal later. Right now.
Okay, do you want to do them that way?
Is it gonna be good with the sun? Because it might not with the Polaroid?
Okay.
Do you want socks in it or no?
Nah.
We wait for these people to walk by. And then I was like, oh, it was so kind of yeah, I was like, wait, what did you
Surprise!
Gosh.
I can't wait for it to develop. It's still developing though.
Okay.
Aww. So cute. Aww. That was fun, and now we're on our way to Koom. Let me see if I can tell you a little bit about what it is before we get there. So Koom is basically for a bunch of Korean CEOs and business owners and a lot of people who are interested in the K-beauty space, Korean space, to meet together and have conversations. So there are a lot of panels, and actually the CEO of Soko Glam will be there. I actually got to meet her about 2 weeks ago, so it'll be really cool to see her again. Bring together Korean innovation, food, culture, and entrepreneurial spirit into the global spotlight. So there's going to be food, activities, activations, and there's going to be some K-pop artists who will be performing tonight. So I think Cortis, I saw Epic High was on the list. Who else is on the list? So we just got here. I actually don't know exactly what time we were supposed to arrive, but we're gonna check in and see what's going on. Okay, I just checked in. I got my wristband and I'm gonna put my little name tag on. I guess they like print it out with your name. Let's go explore. I'm going to start in the K-beauty area first. There's like really long lines everywhere, and I'm like, should I try to get some free products? But like, I low-key don't need any, but it feels exciting. Okay, that line took forever, but the pictures are cute. You guys, I think this is the line for the concert, and I honestly am not vibing with that. That's crazy.